Good morning, gardening friends. I wanted to show you what I'm doing with the bamboo besides my teepee, which I still haven't decided what I'm going to grow up that. I'm thinking about putting some stone pavers under it so you can actually go sit under there, but I don't know. So the bamboo, there's a lot of like scraps and shorter pieces that we're not using for our fence, and so they're a perfect way to mark where to walk. And then over here, I'm showing in an upcoming video, I've used them to mark the asparagus, which you can see coming up right there. Gonna let it go again this year. But I've created a pathway here, which I need to mulch over. And then my little beet area. And that's extra helpful so that people won't walk there. And I'm gonna plant something here, like flowers. Here's the walkway. And I don't know, I was just playing around with them little entrance yesterday and kind of just making it seem more neat and helping to show the pathway. The only issue that I see is if I come out here with a hose and I'm pulling it around, I might end up mad because it'll pull some of these apart. But yeah, hopefully not have to water too much by hose this season. We'll see. So anyway, hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. Get outside, listen to the birds. Yes. I have to start work soon, so I always come out here and just fill my soul, do something that I love to do before I do other things that I also love. But this is my number one, so hope you have an awesome day.